G and E. Capital of G and E is 80,000 and 60,000 respectively. They admitted B as a new partner for 1/4 share in profit. B bought 50,000 as his capital. Calculate goodwill and pass necessary journal entries for goodwill. Now in this sum, no mention of goodwill is there, and still we are asked to find the value of goodwill. So this concept is a concept of hidden value of goodwill. Now with the help of this example, we'll try to understand this. First, let's calculate what is the capital. Capital of G, 80,000. Capital of E, 60,000. And the new partner, B, brings how much? 50,000. So what's the total capital of the firm? 1,90,000. Now, for 1/4 share, B's capital is rupees 50,000. Therefore, for one share, total capital is what we have to calculate. यानी 1/4 के लिए B 50,000 लाता है, तो पूरा कैपिटल कितना होगा? 1 के लिए कितना? So we do cross multiply. Total capital is 50,000 into 4/1 is equal to rupees 2 lakh. Now, this is where the hidden goodwill comes into the picture. 2 lakh should be the total capital, but capital is how much? 1 lakh. So, capital is equal to rupees 1,90,000. Therefore, total value of goodwill or hidden goodwill is equal to rupees 10,000. Understood how we have to calculate this? Now, share of B in goodwill is equal to rupees 10,000 into 1/4 is equal to rupees 2,000. Got it? How we found the value of hidden goodwill? Okay. Write this, then we write the entry. Okay, let's write the first entry. Cash account debit. Write the first entry. Cash account debit. 50,000. To B's capital account. 50,000. B bought his share in capital. Now, capital तो लेके आया, but is he bringing anything for goodwill? So we have to debit him. B's capital account debit 2,500 to G's capital account and to E's capital account. Now we have not found the sacrifice ratio, so let's find out G, E and B. Old ratio, is it given? Old ratio is not given, so it will be same, equal 1/4. So 3/4, so 3/8 and 3/8, 2/8, 1/8 and 1/8. So sacrifice ratio is equal to 1:1. 1250, 1250. Being B's capital account debited for not being able to bring goodwill. G and E's capital account credited. In what ratio? In sacrifice ratio. Next. Question number 12. Page number 206. 12 sums are tricky है, ध्यान देना please. R, C and B are partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 3:2:1. Their capital as on 1/4/16 is 1,60,000 and 50,000 respectively. On that date, the balance of general reserve was 90,000. They admitted P as a new partner. P bought 1,80,000 as his capital. New profit and loss sharing ratio of all partners is decided to 2:1:1:2. Calculate goodwill and pass necessary journal entries. Now first let's find the sacrifice ratio so that later we have no problem. Working notes. First, for sacrifice ratio. R, C, B, and the new partner is P. Old ratio 3:2:1. New ratio 2/6, 1/6, 1/6, and 2/6. Sacrifice ratio old minus new 3/2, 3/6 minus 2/6, 1/6, 2/6 minus 1/6, 1/6, 0. So sacrifice ratio is equal to 1:1. Next, we have balance of capital. Clear दिख रहा है? Okay. We have balance of capital. So we write capital R, C, B, and P. Amount is 1,60,000, 50,000. How much P brings? 1,80,000. What's the total? 2,80,000. 3,80,000. 3,90,000. Plus we also have general reserve. General reserve is of 90,000. So total capital 4,80,000, because ultimately this reserve also belongs to the partners. Now for 2/6 share or 1/3 share, okay, 2/6 or 1/3, partner P brings 1,80,000. Therefore, for one share, total capital is how much? Cross multiply. Five lakh 40,000 minus capital 4,80,000. $60,000. This is the value of goodwill. Share of P in goodwill. 60,000 into 2 by 6 or 1 by 3 is equal to rupees 20. First, we distribute the reserve between the partners. First entry लिखो, general reserve account debit 90,000 to R's capital account, to C's capital account, to B's capital account. What ratio? Old ratio. 3:2:1. So 15, 45,000, 30,000, 15,000. Mean. Second entry. This partner brings cash for his share in capital, so cash account debit. Capital of 1,80,000. 2. Is capital account 1,80,000. B. Now the third entry will be for goodwill. The new partner is not able to bring his share of goodwill in cash, so we have to debit him. So P's capital account debit 20,000. 2. Who is sacrificing R's capital account and C's capital account? 10,000. Being this will always be in sacrifice ratio. Question number 30. X and Y are partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 2:3. They admitted Z as a new partner for 1/5 share. Goodwill is valued at 20,000. Balance of goodwill appeared at 15,000 in the balance sheet. So we have new value of goodwill which is 20,000 and the old value which is 1,50,000. Z bought 50,000 as his capital and 80% of his share of goodwill in cash. All partners withdrew 40% amount of goodwill in cash which is credited to their capital account. After admission of Z, the profit for the first year of the new firm was 60,000. Pass necessary journal entries. Now first let's find out the sacrifice ratio. Working group. First, X, Y and Z. Old ratio 2/5, 3/5. Sacrifice ratio 1/5. So new ratio is 1/5. So sacrifice ratio के लिए let's find the new ratio first. 1/5 goes to Z, so remaining 4/5 goes to X and Y. 8/25. 12/25. 5 by 25. So new ratio is 8:12:5. Sacrifice ratio 2 by 5 minus 8 by 25. LCM is 25. 2 by 5. And 3 by 5 minus 12 by 25. 3 by 5. First entry is we will write off the old value of goodwill. It will go to old partners in old ratios. First, X capital account debit, Y's capital account debit 20,000. Sorry. 15,000 to goodwill. Old ratio is 2:3. 6,000, 9,000. Second, the partner brings cash for his share in capital and goodwill. So we'll have to calculate that. How much for goodwill? Total goodwill is equal to rupees 20,000. Share of Z is equal to 20,000 into 1 by 5. 4,000. Now, how much it brings in goodwill? 80% in cash. So 3,200. समझ में आया सबको? Total value of the goodwill is 20,000. His share comes to 4,000. Out of 4,000, he is able to bring only 80% in cash. That is 3,200. So cash account debit. He brings for capital 50,000. So 53,200. 2. Z's capital account 50,000. 2. Premium for goodwill 3,200. Let's give this money to the partners. Premium for goodwill account debit 3,200. How much money the partner is not able to bring? 800. तो क्या करेंगे इसका? इसको कर देंगे डेबिट. So Z's capital account debit 800 to X capital account and to Y's capital account. Sacrifice ratio. So 4,000 divided by 5. In sacrifice ratio. Old partners withdrew 40% amount of goodwill in cash. Okay, so let's record that. X capital account debit Y's capital account debit to cash. 40% cash withdrawn. What's the amount? 640. 960, 1600. पता चला कैसे आया 40%? डायरेक्टली इन दोनों का 40%. Profit and loss. First year's profit is given. After admission of Z, the profit for the first year of the new firm was 60,000. So we have to give that to all the partners now. So लिखो profit and loss account debit. बातें मत करो. Profit and loss account debit. Amount is 60,000. Now this will go to whom? To all the partners. So to X capital account, to Y's capital account, and to Z's capital account. In what ratio? New ratio. 8:12:5. 19,200, 28,800, and 12.